Aloha mai kākou, Aaron Mahi here with the Hawaiian word of the month, o Nahua o Lalo o Kamalama. The month is May, velo in the Hawaiian lunar calendar. Muho Lapu Kolona, the coronavirus is our theme. This week we have two words for you. Kunu, cough or a cough. Kanainai, shallow breath, to be shortness of breath, having shortness of breath. The sentence is Imaka'ala. Ina he ma'ikunu me kanainai kou, ina e hele koke I ke kauka. Be alert. If you have a cough or shortness of breath, go quickly to the doctor. We want you to be safe this season. From all of us and Partners in Development Foundation, we wish you safety. Iola i ka olelo Hawaii. Long live our Hawaiian language. Aloha.